Yeah, they'll play like that until I get the camera.
That's 2 cents for 1995.
Here's how to order.
Call 1-800-641-0499.
They crack me up sometimes.
I know. Well, I'm zoomed in.
I get to watching them and then I forget to get the camera.
I know.
He's on his back. He don't only get on his back for nothing.
Oh.
And he's letting cat play with his back.
People
What
meet
are you doing, Ralph?
I'm doing this.
the majority of the time
I'll
when I
meet this
meet
cat.
somebody,
I'll meet this bird.
here's how it comes across to me. They'll be like,
What are you doing?
buddy,
Oh my gosh.
how are you? I'm like, ooh.
69.
Oh my gosh. Look at him laugh. Odie, a good boy. Good. Aw. Easy, guys. Odie's like, okay, I gotta get up now. Aw. He preened his ears. Oh, now he's waiting for Ralph to get him back. Look, he wants Ralph to preen him.
Yeah, you don't know where it's been. Neither do I. Been coming home late, smelling weird.
And the bad thing is you can't touch that bird that much.
I know.
You know the predator is rubbing all over.
Oop. Odie said, I'm done. That's it, that's all, buddy.
It's hard enough there, dude.
Got an interpreter for the deaf.
He said, good.
It's like they talk to one another somehow.
Ralph purrs and Odie squawks.
Yeah, I think it's Spanish.
Get over here, like.
See the accent?
Aww.
There's a deaf Mexican
Come here,
lady
hug
holding
him.
her ass up in the back.
He had him up there the other day because Odie crossed out and underneath that bar. He went between them, and I ain't never seen him do that.
On the plane.
I was sitting there rolling.
Just making sure, man.
Imagine Odie
I'm
coming
either
through there.
required to
Like
sit
a fat chicken with makeup in there.
Where'd he come through?
entire flight.
Between them bars.
Really?
I'm required to buy the seat.
Oh, I was about to roll. That doesn't matter when you told me to get the camera. And you brought back to me, and that's when I was trying to tell you. But they never did do that again. I'm cracking it.
Yeah, he's working.
Is that thing rechargeable?
No.
You need to get some batteries.
Are you
Got one of
Mexican?
the chargers in there. You need to get me some batteries.
Odie, Odie, Odie. You gonna sing to Ralph?
That's a good place to go.
You gonna sing to Ralph? Sing. Come on, Ralph.
Energizer brand.
Come on.
I know it tickles.
You felt sucky about him saying that one day? I'm sorry.
Say what?
Where he went, come on.
She was, I forget what
I was going, come on, Ralph, or going to do something like that, and he went, come on.
Come on. Just as plain as you or me could speak.
He said, come on. Oh, he stole Odie's steak. Odie's like, no, you don't, buddy. That's mine. Ah, Bertie, you gotta go down there.
I come and get your groceries and leave.
You little thief. You went right to his house, stole his food, and his toy. He's got his little Mickey Mouse thingy down there. Poor Odie.
Just watching and I mean, just enjoying.
Poor Odie. Look at Odie. He's like, damn, I feel, or what do you call that? I feel violated.
What's the matter, Odie? It's funny? You put my leg there. You poor dude.
Over here in boat, an RV, and...
Oh, poor Odie. You want me to cook you a steak? You want me to cook you a steak? Poor baby got his food stolen. That's the plan. He laid on his back and played.